Hello everyone, it's Sarah B. Welcome as always. I am opening up my second goodie box from ThredUp today. ThredUp is the world's, I think, largest thrift shop, essentially. They offer you, for people who are looking to get rid of things that they are no longer utilizing, you can order a free clean out bag, which they send to you for free. You send what you don't want from your closet back to them, and then they will give you credit towards what you give them to then spend in the shop. I think you can just cash out too. I don't know. I haven't done it. I've looked into it, but I've not gotten that far yet. Anyway, they've just recently started offering Goody Boxes, which is not a subscription service. It's a styling service, meaning that you can just go on and opt to get one sent to you. It's not like a regular thing. Although they have just figured out, they just started a subscription where you can sign up for monthly deliveries. It's $10 to get the box sent to you. Shipping is free both ways. That $10 will get credited towards whatever you decide to keep. If you keep $75 or more worth of stuff, then you will get $10 credit towards your next goodie box. So there's lots of incentives there. I have a referral link in the description, which will give you $10 towards your first goodie box for stuff that you want to keep. They have different themes. The last one I got was spring themed. The stuff in it wasn't particularly springy necessarily. To be fair, I did say I don't like bright colors, like bright springy colors. That's mostly true. So I don't fault them for that necessarily. This, they call it the 9 to 5 box. Excuse me, so workwear, which I can always use. Who can't, right? It's an enormous box. They send you at least 10 pieces. And here is how everything breaks down. And nothing here is above $26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces. Oh my gosh. So this is also the problem. The boxes are so huge. Oh, and here's some more information. I love the polka dots that ThredUp sends. More about the ThredUp goodie boxes themselves. And the goal behind ThredUp to reuse instead of just buying new all the time, to make a more sustainable environment. And this bundle is falling apart as I'm trying to pick it up. It is huge. Okay. Here's my sticker to send things back that I no longer want. Or, again, you have 7 days, I think, to send things back. And this is the first thing that fell out, and I love it already. You have 7 days to try things on and send things back before you get charged for them. This is Bleecker and McDougall. It's so very me in that it's dark blue and kind of stretchy. Oh, and it has the nice, okay, but it has a detail on the side. I don't know if you can see that. The camera is being funny. If I hold it up to the light, perhaps you can see there's lovely detail on the side. Very sweet. Okay, and an asymmetrical hem. Yes, please. What else do we have in here? Oh, New York and Company. It's a long shirt blouse. That's really lovely, actually, too. I'm digging that. So a lot of the stuff I have gotten from ThredUp in the past has been new with tags. But nothing so far out of this box has been, which is fine. I signed up for used clothing and Klein dress. I could pull that off. I mean, was it worn properly, not splayed open for the world to see? But yes, an Klein dress. Very nice. As if there is any doubt. This is great. It's called Fun to Fun. my color. Totally perfect. Here's something that's absolutely not my color. Although maybe. This is from Daniel Rain. Maybe I could pull that off. Here is a dress from Molly and Isadora. I've never heard of that. But that's not unusual for me. Oh, and this is new with tags. Haha. Oh, it's from Dia and Company. It's intriguing. Very interesting. Okay, cool. This is a skirt. Yeah, like a comfy jersey skirt from Lock and Love. New with tags. You never leave the price tags on though, so you don't know how much it was originally. But they do guesstimate on the receipts, so we can look at that as we're checking out. Oh, a long black skirt from INC, International Concepts Woman. See reverse for care. I'm always nervous. Yep, dry clean. Very nervous about clothes that I need to dry clean because they never seem to make it to the cleaner. It's the weirdest thing. They just sit on a chair in my room for the longest time. This is a cute skirt. It does have a gold zipper, which I am not particularly a fan of, but from Christian Serrano? Yeah. I guess it's worth trying on at least, right? Everything's worth trying on. Oh, more about ThredUp. And the last thing in my box is a dress. Yes, a jersey dress from Apartment 9. Oh man, I thought this was going to be an easier one. There's a lot of good stuff in here. All right, I'm going to get to trying on and seeing what, if anything, I'm going to be sending back. I'm in trouble, I think. All right, back in a jiff. I was just talking about how I need more color and pattern in my life, and this is pretty great. It's really comfortable. It fits me really well. Yeah, I don't know if I would wear it to work. I guess I could. But I also can just see me going to brunch, you know, and like bumming around on the weekend in it. It's really lovely. It's really long. It goes down to my ankles. I enjoy it. So I would have never picked this out to even try on. But I really love it. It's shorter than what I normally would do. It like only hits like just at my knees. And I really like things below my knees. But it fits me well. I feel very, very professional in it. It has this really interesting pattern. It's like not houndstooth, right? It's just lovely and sweet. And it would be a lovely, I don't know, I guess spring dress. I'm gonna wear something like this after Labor Day, but no, I enjoy this quite a lot. Oh man, I'm in trouble. I'm in deep trouble. Anne Klein dress fits me well, but I don't love it. It's I think it's just too busy for me. So like it makes myself dizzy to look at me in the mirror wearing this. Does that make sense? If it was like a little less busy or a different color, I think it would be easily sold, but this top is a total win. It's stretchy and lovely and my color, and the detailing is nice, not just with like the ruching flowery thing over here, but also the asymmetric hem. Really cool. The skirt, I don't know. It has pockets, so that's great, but it's really busy again. I don't really see myself wearing it. I could see it like just sitting in my closet forever and never getting pulled out. But I'll wear this top the rest of the day if you let me. So, bad news, you guys. I love this top. It's stretchy. It has like some spandex or something in the fabric. I love the high-low of it. I think it looks really professional and cute. It doesn't fit. It's just too small right here. And to be honest, this one and this one has the same problem. Womp womp. So I'll keep trying on and we'll see if we can salvage some more. That makes me really sad because I love this color. I wasn't thrilled about this, but I was willing to try. And I thought this would be super cute. And it would be if it fit. We have some more bad news. The black skirt didn't fit. And neither did the jersey skirt. It's just too small. And that's what happens when you have so many different brands offering clothes. The sizes run so differently. And if they're used and they've been washed multiple times, sometimes there's shrinkage and stuff involved anyway. I'm going to sort through all of this as we also look at the invoice to see how much all of it costs. Because there's some things I really want, like the shirt I may have put back on because it's so comfy. Maybe we'll start with that. Ha! Women's Bleecker and McDougal short sleeve shirt, the one I have on. Estimated retail is $18. They're asking $8. Sold. Done. The Molly's. The women's Molly and Isadora casual dress. This one. Suggested estimated retail cost is $70. $71. They're asking $21. Sold. Done. Easy. The Lock and Love casual skirt. This one. The estimated retail is $27. They're asking $10. Doesn't fit. Sorry, guys. The Women's Inc. International Concepts Is that this one? Yes, the skirt. Estimated retail of $80. They're asking $16. It doesn't fit. Move point. Women's New York & Company 3/4 sleeve. That must be this one. Yes. The estimated retail is $55. They were asking $17. That's not true. Yes, $55. They're asking $17. I really would keep it for $17. It does not fit. Alas. Let's see. The Fun to Fun short sleeve blouse. That was this one. I think. Yes. Estimated retail is $48. They were asking $19, which is not a bad price to pay, but it just doesn't fit across my bust. So alas, that's not going to work. The Apartment 9 casual dress. Estimated retail of $50. They're asking $22. I need to think about that. I like it. Do I like it $22 worth? I don't know. Let me think. The Christian Serrano for Lane Bryant skirt. Oh my goodness. Estimated retail is $107. It doesn't fit great. I'm not going to keep something that doesn't fit great. They're asking $26 for it. The Daniel Rain sleeveless blouse. That must be this one. Good Lord. Estimated retail is $68. I'm just really out of touch, you guys. I wish it fit. It did not. They were asking $24 for it. Really glad I didn't break it while trying to get it on and off. And then the women's Anne Klein casual dress, which was just too busy for me. Estimated retail was $70, which I believe, and they were asking $18 for it. So there you go. They estimate the estimated total savings off of retail was over $400. That is crazy. Crazy, right? I really love this shirt, which was my $10 like that. This dress, I think it's going to be a game changer for me in my professional attire. I have to think about this one still. Would I wear it even if it fits? I have to think. Maybe I need to keep it just to like dare myself to do it. But anyway, this was a really fun box. And I have another one coming because I signed up for the subscribe option. So I will have another 9 to 5 box coming in a month. How sweet is that? And we'll keep on keeping on. I really hope you guys enjoy these ThredUp boxes. I know they're a little bit different than some of the other YouTubers out there are doing. Everybody really likes the Stitch Fix videos, and I don't blame them. I really like them too. But just the wide variety of different stuff you can see by going through ThredUp is really appealing to me. And I hope it is to you too. If you're interested in trying a Goody Box, I'll have a referral code in the description for this video that will give you $10 to spend on your first Goody Box purchase. And I highly recommend it. They're big fun. 10 pieces is a ton that you get at a time, and it's only a $10 investment as opposed to 15 or 20. So I appreciate all of that. Thank you for joining me for this big fun, and I hope to see you again. Be a dear and subscribe, won't you? If you haven't already. And thank you to all my lovely subscribers that have. Till next time, be well.